Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. In the 26th stanza of Japji Sahib, Guru Nanak Dev Ji has written, Amul Gun Amul Vapar, Amul Vapari Amul Pandar, Amul Ave Amul Le Jaye, Amul Pai Amulla Samai, Amul Taram Amul Diban, Amul Tul Amul Furman, Amul Bakshish Amul Nishan, Amul Karam Amul Furman, अमुल्लो मुल आख्या ना जाए आँख आँख रहे लिपलाए आखे वेद पाठ पुराण आखे पढ़े करे वख्याण आखे बरमे आखे इंद आखे गोपित गोबिंद आखे ईश्वर आखे सिद्ध आखे कित कित बुद्ध आखे दानव आखे देव आखे सुर नर मुंजन सेव केते कह के उठ जाए एते किते होर करे तो आँख न सके कही कहे जेवड़ पावे तेवड़ होए नानक जाने साचा सोए जे को आखे बोल बिगाड़ ता लिखिए सिर गवारा गवार. Here, Guru Nanak Dev Ji seems to be intoxicated with the kind of awareness that is coming by watching the deeds of the Lord. He says, whatever I am seeing, whether I see the worshippers, whether I see the people who are involved in appreciating you, they're all invaluable. We cannot measure their value by any means. He says, Amul Gun Amul Vapar. Your qualities are invaluable. People who deal with it in the sense who pick up these good values, they are invaluable. Amul Vapari Amul Pandar. The qualities that God has rendered, the good qualities, are invaluable. The storage of such things is invaluable. Amul Gun Amul Vapar Amul Vapariye Amul Pandar Amul Ave Amul Le Jaye. People are coming and enriching their lives and taking away good values with themselves. Amul Ave Amul Le Jaye, Amul Pai Amulla Samai. People are merging into the, say, the creation of the God. And then he says, Amul Taram Amul Diban. Even your righteousness, your the law that is there, it is same throughout the universe. Amul Taram Amul Diban. Taram here stands for the nature's law, which is same for one and all. The law of gravity, law of light, law of anything related to physics, you can say, is same on earth as well as any other part of the universe. That is invaluable. He says, Amul Taram Amul Diban. Your court of justice is also invaluable. Amul Taram Amul Diban, Amul Tul Amul Furman. Even the balance that God has made to measure the qualities of people, even that balance is invaluable. Amul Tul, Amul Furman. Furman here stands for the stones, the weighing stones that are put in the weighing balance to weigh the product. He says the product is also invaluable, and so is the weighing stones that are put over there, because those are also decided by the Lord, that by what means the righteousness of a person is to be judged. Amul Tul Amul Parvan, Amul Bakshish Amul Nishan. Your blessings are also invaluable, O God. Bakshish means blessings. Amul Nishan, the Nishan, the insignias that various religious bodies use. Ekonkar, Om, Swastik, Cross. He says those are also invaluable. They signify, they glorify the presence of the Lord. Amul Bakshish Amul Nishan, Amul Karam, Amul Furman. Your say, destiny is Amulya, the destiny that is decided. And the command that has gone into it, that is also invaluable. Amul Karam Amul Nishan, Amullo Mulla Khana Jai, Aakha Kare Liplai. He says, So many invaluable things are there, even to convey about them, even to talk about the invaluable things that are there around us is not possible. Amul आख्या ना जाए, आँख आँख रहे लिब लाए. There are people who are talking about the invaluable things, who are glorifying the things, but they are not able to put across the entire thing in its entirety. अमुल मुल आख्या ना जाए, आँख आँख रहे लिब लाए. आँखिए वेद पाठ पुराण आँखें पढ़े करे व्याख्यान. The Vedas, the Puranas, the various Shastras, the Bible, the Quran, all the holy books, they are invaluable and they are conveying the same thing. Aakhe Ved Path Puran, Aakhe Pade Kare Vakhyan. There are people who are reading, understanding, and they are debating over it. They are giving lectures, they are giving speeches. Aakhe Pade Kare Vichar. Aakhe Barme Aakhe End Aakhe Gopita Gobind Aakhe Ishara Aakhe Siddha Aakhe Kita Kita Buddh. So many Brahmas, so many Indras, so many Shivas, so many Buddhas are coming and going. They are talking about your praises. Aakhe Barme Aakhe End Aakhe Gopita Gobind Aakhe Ishara Aakhe Siddha. The Siddhas, the ones who have raised their knowledge and have attained certain level. He says, even they are going on uttering your praises. Aakhe Barme Aakhe End Aakhe Gopita Gobind Aakhe Ishara Aakhe Siddha Aakhe Kite Kite Buddh Aakhe Danav Aakhe Dev. Even the devils, the demons, they also talk about your glory. The angels, the demigods, Aakhe Danav Aakhe Dev Aakhe Sur Munjan Sev Kete Kake Uthod Jaye. Kete Kake Uthod Jaye. He says so many people are coming and uttering about your praises, about the invaluable things that you have created. Kete Kake Uthod Jaye. Ete Kite Hor Kare. He says you have created so many. If you look into the past, there have been numerous saints and masters who have come and spoken about the praises. Kete kake, ete kite hor kare. Those who you have created in the past, those who are there in the present, and further also, God will be creating more. Ete kite hor kare. Ta aakh na sake kei. No one will be able to finally conclude that this is the end of the Lord. This is the end of the creation. I have understood the creation in its entirety, he says. Jevad pave, tevad hoye. Nanak jane sacha soye. So he is concluding this 26th stanza by saying that Jevad pave. Ultimately, it's the Lord who knows. Jevad pave, tevad hoye. He can contract the universe, he can expand the universe as per his desire. Jevad pave, tevad hoye. Nanak jane sacha soye. This can be understood by only the true Lord himself. Jeko aakhe bol vigad. Finally, in the last two lines, he says, Jeko aakhe bol vigad, ta likhiye sir gawara gawar. He says, if someone else comes and says something else, what I have said just now, that it's not possible for us to narrate the doings, or to find the limits of the Lord, except for the Lord himself. If someone comes and says, no, beside the Lord, even I can utter, I can say this. If he tries to exaggerate his knowledge and says that I know it all and what I have said is all in all. Jeko aakhe bol vigad, ta likhiye sir gawara gawar. Then you write that his head is amongst the foolest of the fools. This is what I could understand from stanza 26th of Japji Sahib. And in case I have faltered anywhere or forgotten some words or lines, I seek forgiveness. And please subscribe to this channel and please put your views. I look forward to them so that I can improve in the future. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.